Dear President Mnangagwa, permit me to begin with a gentle reminder. When you sought a refugee from late Robert Mugabe, it was Alpha Media Holding, AMH, the very media house now facing your administration's ID, that courageously chronicled your anguish and your promises to a nation yearning for change. No other day. Tisarabina mashuka rubuda pangwa an open letter to President Emerson Mnangagwa from Alpha Media Holding boss Trevor Nguyen was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina monomobile comchinzi. Your recent threats against the media now appear to be manifesting in alarming actions. We have witnessed the detention of Heart and Soul Broadcasting Services (HSTV) journalist Blessed Mhlanga for 73 days without a trial and the distressing imprisonment of Zimbabwe independent editor Faith Zawa. Furthermore, threatened litigation from your legal representatives against AMH strike many as frivolous and exagerous tactics more commonly associated with insecure tin pot dictators than with a leader of your stated caliber. You once described yourself as a soft as wool. Surely, this does not align with such heavy-handedness. Perhaps, Mr. President, you are simply ill-advised by those whose true agenda might be to erode the very constitutional tenets that underpin your authority and tenure. One might even suspect the same voices pushing for constitutional amendments to extend your term are inadvertently tarnishing brand Zimbabwe. Mr. President, your position and authority flow directly from the Constitution of Zimbabwe. No words spoken or written should truly threaten your office, at least not until the natural conclusion of your constitutional term. Your tenure, therefore, is inherently secure. To arrest journalists and unleash intimidatory lawsuits is frankly not a done thing in modern democracies. It damages brand Zimbabwe, undermines your Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is open for business, mantra and attacks the public's fundamental right to information, press freedom, and free speech, the very lifeblood of a functioning democracy. Capital, after all, is notoriously timid and shies away from jurisdictions perceived as insecure and intolerant. The recent charges against Zaba and Alpha Media Holding for undermining or insulting the president following a satirical Makreka column in the Zimbabwe Independence are particularly telling. It's worth noting that this is only the second time Makreka has faced such legal action over the past 29 years, with the late Colonel Claudius Makova having lost a case where the court rightly ruled that satire cannot be taken as defamation. I respectfully submit that your precious time could be far more profitably spent elsewhere than fixating on satire, the media, and journalists. Words from journalists, particularly when aimed at a constitutionally protected president, inflict no real harm. Instead, allow me to highlight the true insults to your office and the nation, the very issues that effectively undermine your authority and demand your immediate decisive action. Ndomashukanywa na Trevor Nguyen aiwa anyora uri mutungamiri wenyika achiti aiwa ngaasatirira mashoko evanhu vanenge vachida kutangisa zita remutungamiri wenyika panguva ino vachiaresta majournalists from Alpha Media Holdings, and at the same time panguva ino anouya achimunyengerera mutungamiri wenyika kuti aiwa we are the same people who covered you during his period of exile. Nakoma section medu nzimafunguro enyu motuli pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.